Hello, everybody. It's me, Trader Max from Crypto Ronins, and here, August 20th, we're about to do a coin read for Latte. Let's get started. All right, so we're here on the chart here over on Deck Screener for Latte, and we have under a pretty good authority because we're really inside this network as well for this coin. And so we have a lot of inside information. We have a lot of alpha that's happening. And I'm going to give you some of that alpha coin read today, not just because of a technical analysis on the chart, because really we need a little bit more liquidity. We need a little bit more market cap in that process to give you good reads. We're on a 4-hour chart right now, but I'm just going to show you, we're going to do a Fibonacci retracement tool from the high, but from the time of this candle right about here, okay? Because we're going to do the high here, we're going to come down, we're going to do a little retracement tool back down to the low right about there. We're going to bring it out a couple of days, another day, say today's 20th. So we're just going to say the next 3 days here. Okay, we're going to come right about there. Good. And let that go right there. All right, so why we're doing this is that we're having this little breakout pattern here in this mentality, but it really is a descending pennant, right? A bear pennant that's happening here. So we're gonna do a little chart right there. If you don't know the difference between a bear and a bull pennant, a pennant is this is the flag right here. So it's like it comes down and it sort of makes a triangle here. You could also almost envision this if you look at these, but these are like manipulated by market. This could be a bear flag coming down at that point. So with the bear pen, it's going to make from this Fibonacci zone of 0.236, it's going to create this little buying pressure here, and it should push up. It's already pushed up into this area, but these are also deceptions areas because there's some things that were going on in this area. You don't see a lot of big wicks in here, so there's not a volume bot. We know that. So there's a couple, but there's not a lot. See that buying pressure there. But we also know that that the lead, give me a break, is in doing all kinds of stuff. And he wrote me this morning telling me about the market wallet for Latte has been filled a lot more from yesterday, which is really cool. If you go right over to their website, we scroll down and we can kind of see right down, where's it at? Did I miss it? There it is, right there. So when we get to the position, we're tracking things that we're going to be firing off for Latte, and some good things will be firing off with that process. So when the wallet fills up, they're getting some more marketing that's placed on. They just spent the last 2 weeks building the websites and remodeling them and getting them into stage 2 stuff. They've integrating with the Bank of America bot to get rating platforms on further, and so you can get paid while you raid, comment mentality. Once that wallet is filled up, they're saying they're going to run a series of marketing actions in a row to kind of keep things going. They're starting to become more out on spaces. They were on one last night. Check. I'll probably have some recordings of that because it's our space. We're going to be making a space here for Crypto Ronins as well. That'll be talking about these coins and coins that we trust, and we know who they are, and we stand behind them. We're not being paid for them at that level. So this buying pressure that's happening here, this is where it's coming down to a hold in. Naturally, if people just let the chart do what it's going to do, it should pop out right around in here. Over the next couple of days, we could come down and test this margin right here, and as it does, as soon as it comes back over, if it bounces and comes back up, this is where we're looking for over the next couple of days. Come back down in this area, and again, this is not a default of us pushing it or volume bot on it at all. This is natural trading. This is natural TA analysis here. Technical analysis of the chart and the human element that's here. This is what I spent 20 years doing, 4 years over at TradingView. There's like a low transactional rate, so it's not going to move much. If it does move, that means that whales are moving or bigger holders are moving from that point, but we've sort of hung on to those guys as well. All right, so you have an understanding what's happening with Latte now. If you're not in Latte yet and you're watching this, come over and help us out. We're building on to this system of being able to talk to everybody and get everybody in the system. I can't wait to see what happens with all of you in the network. We have some spaces we'll be doing. We'll be putting that out there in Latte's network as well. All right, I'm Trader Max. We'll see you next time. And as always, trade well.